Hello, welcome. This is Caitlin, and this is our valve assembly. If you're interested about this one, follow me, okay? Packages, VC anti-rust bags with the label, Shumatt logo. If you want to print your own logo, contact us. Logo, label, packaging bag, customize the services. Product code F00VC01313. Application model number 045110118, 045110174, 045110175. QR code. Two types of packages. Today talk about one of them. Wow, little ice cream comes again. This is whole side. Also sell the separate parts. Valve cap with coating and curved letters. This one. Valve roll, different lengths, different sizes. If you want other sizes, contact us. Okay, that's all. Yep. And the 3 tips share with you. Clean it with oil. Make sure the valve cap in the right position. Make sure the valve roll can be moved smoothly. Okay, that's all. Talk about the warranty, 6 months. Okay, that's product details. Yes. Focus on our channel and feel free to contact us. Okay. Thank you for that. So much for today's product introduction. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.